What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to sync contacts between your iPhone and iPad. Syncing contacts ensures that any saved contact on your iPhone will also appear on your iPad and vice versa. To do this, both devices must be signed into the same Apple ID. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on your Apple ID. From here, select Save to iCloud. Scroll down until you see Contacts and make sure the toggle is switched on. This will upload your contacts to iCloud, allowing them to sync across devices. Now, switch over to your iPad. Open Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and then go to Save to iCloud. Ensure that Contacts is also turned on here. If prompted, press Merge to combine your existing contacts with iCloud. Once this is done, your contacts will sync automatically. To confirm, open the Contacts app on your iPad, tap Lists in the top left corner, and select iCloud to view your synced contacts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.